Hi guys, welcome to Gadget Times, and in this video I will tell you how to set up your Google Pay account and how to link your bank account with Google Pay. Start by downloading Google Pay app on your Android or iOS device. Once you install the app on your phone, you can start receiving and sending money directly from a bank account. Once the app is downloaded, open the app and you will be asked to enter your number. Tap on next, read the terms and conditions and again tap on next. Now you will receive an OTP on your mobile number. Enter the verification code and tap on start using Google Pay. Now you will be asked to either use your screen lock or your Google PIN to protect your Google Pay account. Once you are done, you can start the payment option and accept and give access to Google Pay to your accounts and location. You will find the business and bills right over here, rewards, offers and your payment activity right over here. Now to start receiving and sending money on Google Pay, you have to first enter your bank account details. Scroll to the bottom and find check account balance option. Click on it and add bank account. You can choose the bank. You have to ensure that your number that is linked to your bank account is inserted on the phone that you're using. Once Google account sends the SMS to your account and verifies it, your bank account is automatically added. Now you can choose which bank account and you can tap on activate account. Then you will be asked to type the UPI PIN that you have entered. Enter the UPI PIN and your account will be activated. Thanks for watching Gadget Times. For more videos, do check our channel.